Social media engagement. So, what is social media engagement? It is a broader spectrum of different metrics that will help you adjust your goals. Social media engagement is not like is not is more than just commenting, liking. It's more than that. The importance of social media engagement, like a lot. Customer loyalty
Yeah.
and attracts potential customers.
So one of the importance of social media engagement is your customers' feedback can help you to improve their experience. Again, in every business or in every industry, your customers' feedback will help you to improve not just their experience but also your service. Or if you are providing products or you're selling products, then of course feedback is really really helpful for you to improve, and it can also help you boost your brand awareness. And especially if you are starting up, you really want to have like a really really good social proof to your customers, because once you have a good social proof or brand awareness that everyone knows that you are existing, you have less effort in selling yourself because people will talk about you, people will sell for you, like word of mouth. One of the tricks in marketing is the word of mouth. No one, I think
Yeah,
until now, no one can no one can defeat word of mouth.
referral. Yeah,
Yeah.
in social media engagement, this will help you really like to increase your brand. I always say that don't go after the likes, but
Yeah.
instead go after genuine connections, genuine engagement. So build your network. That is like the bottom line of that.
Hmm.
Don't fetch after the likes. The likes won't do. Yeah, it will give you social proof, but when you build connections with your target market and if they're really genuine and you're just like connecting with them, they will trust you. And you
Yeah.
build a very good network of people who are like interested in what you do, okay? And that will help you grow your business. And that, my social media managers, is one of the tips that you can tell your clients. They need to build their empire, but before they can do that, they should build their network. How you can improve your engagement. You need to analyze your current engagement. This talks about the comments, your post reach, which posts are gaining a lot of engagement. So that's what you need to repost the next few like months or weeks. You need to repurpose your content. So if this post is not like gaining a lot of traction or a lot of attention from your target market, and then it needs to go. How you measure that, how you analyze your current posts, and then use them for a strategy. Data that you collected, like if you already know which posts are effective, which posts are not, then you can create a strategy out of those things. The testing period or the A/B split testing period that you have when you posted your content, like today you'll post it in the morning or in the afternoon tomorrow. Then after you get the result, you would know when is the exact time to post. Then that will go to your strategy. And if you think this kind of content doesn't really appeal your audience, then that needs to go and that will go to your strategy too. That you
Yeah.
can use. Yeah. That you can use like for the next few months or years. Your strategy will no, there's no perfect one. So
Yeah.
your
There's
strategy will
always.
change. Mhm. It will change over time. So if your strategy is not working now, it's fine. You just need to rethink, refocus, and then tweak your strategy, and maybe it will work. It's a long process at first, but when you find that strategy that works for you and your business, then you're good.
Even you already have that perfect strategy, don't forget to improve as well from that strategy, because in marketing everything is changing. Change is constant, definitely. It's always There's always a new trend, there's always something new that will come up, and not maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. No, there's always a change in marketing. So once you already have that perfect strategy that you have right now, then you can just add whatever is new in the market.
Know who your audience are. It's really important. Like from the very beginning of our webinar, we already covered that you need to know who your audience are. You need to know what they like, what are those things that interest them, and that's where you can gain the social media engagement. And by social media engagement, um, another trick in the parlor, another parlor trick here is to join Facebook groups. Don't
Yeah.
be spammy. Please don't do that. That's not really ethical. What you need to do is join Facebook groups. Engage with them. Like just be friendly. Just be a person.
Yeah.
Build connections, genuine ones, and then you'll see that your name or your brand's name, it will grow. And if you build like genuine engagements or genuine connections, then that's how you can gain followers or likes for your page. See?
Yeah.
It's not always that please like my page, please like my, no, it's not like that. It doesn't happen like overnight, especially for organic marketing, for
Hmm.
organic social media marketing don't that doesn't happen overnight. And your content should be relatable. So again, it comes down to branding. So your
Yeah.
audience should be able to relate, not just relate, but also um, should be able to learn from your content, so um, that they could comment, they could
Yeah.
like your
You can
post,
share it. No.
share it. Yeah, if it's
No.
something that
Yeah,
is
and again, it's still
interesting.
word of mouth. Right? Like
Yeah, share,
if they
share.
can relate, like for example, you watch a movie that you really like, and then the next thing that you will do is to tell that story to your friend, right? So your friend will be urged to watch the movie as well because that you are hyping the movie, like you really need to see this movie. So it's the same logic with social media engagement.
Your content should be relatable, okay? Like for example, we have the meme effect. When you like the meme, then you'll share it to, like, if it's really funny, you'll share it to your other friends, right? So it also boils down to my another tip for today. So if you want to make a sale, then you need to also make them laugh. So if you want to make a sale, make them laugh. So that's also uh, related to social media or to content creation. If you want to people to relate to you, try breaking the ice. You know, try try being funny for a little bit. Maybe that will help. And very important part is to be mindful of your response time. You know that thing when you message people in Facebook page, there is a response time, right? There is like what's that, 70% responsive or something like that. So who people or your target market can't wait for forever. Like for example, in Facebook, that's why we build chatbots for our Facebook pages. It's because when people ask questions like, "What services do you offer?" then the chatbot will be able um, to reply something. Right?
Hmm.
That's a good response time. Your customers can't wait forever. Or you can set up like your opening hours, like 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It depends. It depends.
Yeah.
It really depends. So just that people would know that you're closed for these certain hours and you'll get back to them. Just make sure that you'll get back to them first. Customer service.
Yeah.